Electric Drives Company unites professionals in the field of frequency drives and electric motors with more than 10 years experience. We offer our products and services in Russia, Belarus, and Central Asia. Our offices in 6 largest cities in Russia and business capital of Kazakhstan, Almaty, provide most efficient interaction with our customers and partners in the region. Our portfolio includes a wide range of low voltage and medium voltage AC drives, corresponding to the highest quality standards and operating reliability. We also offer a complete portfolio of electric motors, from simple low voltage motors in standard design to complex, custom-made medium voltage machines. Besides professional consultations, equipment selection, and delivery, we provide full range of services during warranty and beyond. Our service portfolio includes commissioning, maintenance, troubleshooting and repair, both on-site and in service center. Certified Service Center in Yekaterinburg is equipped with all necessary tools, accessories, and test bench allowing to test under full load, which ensures highest possible quality of repairs. Also, within the service center, we have launched production of spare parts, including PCBs, which supports shortest possible repair lead times. We successfully continue high-end motors and drives business after brands like ABB and Siemens have left the market. Our best-in-class back-office team of professionals with many years' experience in purchasing, project management, import and domestic logistics guarantee best conditions on the market for motors and drives customers. We are the team of the future, proven over time.